multiply. This time, we are going to multiply mixed number by another mixed number. Let us have an example. 1 and 3/5 times 1 and 2/6. So let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign, then a multiplication sign, and another a fraction sign. Pagkatapos niyan, uunahin natin ang 1 and 3/5. We are going to change to an improper fraction. So let us have 1 times 5 equals 5. Then, plus 3 na numerator, idadagdag natin. So, the answer is 8. Then, copy the denominator 5 here. Then after that, dito tayo sa 1 and 2/6. We are going to change to an improper fraction. So, let us multiply 6 times 1 equals 6. Then, add natin yung numerator na 2. It gives 8. Okay? Then, copy the denominator here. So, na-change na natin ang 1 and 3/5 sa 8 over 5. At saka yung 1 and 2/6 is changed to 8 over 6. So, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. But before on that, ang gagawin po natin ay titingnan muna yung cross cancellation at saka yung vertical cancellation. Pwede kayong pumili dyan kung alin yung gusto ninyong i-reduce o paliitin ninyo para madali nating i-multiply. So, sa cross cancellation, we have 8 and 6. Meron silang GCF. Ano kaya ang GCF ng 8 and 6? Diba po? 2. So, we're going to use now 2 to divide 8 at saka 6. Unahin natin ang 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. Let us have now an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Then, multiply now 4 times 8. 4 times 8 equals 32. Then, multiply also 5 times 3. It gives the product of 15. Now, look at now 32 over 15. Is 32 over 15 in the lowest term? Hindi pa po, kasi it is an improper fraction. So, what are we going to do? We need to simplify our answer. So, let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Ang gagamitin ko dito to reduce fractions to the lowest term ay ang shortcut method. Okay? So, kakopy lang natin yung 15 dito as denominator. Then, itanong natin, ilang 15 ang meron sa 32? Di ba po, dalawa? Okay? So, ilagay natin as a whole number here. Then, after that, we are going to multiply 15 times 2. 15 times 2 equals 30. Ilan ang kulang ng 30 na magiging 32? Di ba po, dalawa? So, ilalagay natin yung 2 as a numerator here. So, 32 over 15 now is simplified as 2 and 2 over 15. Now, 2 over 15 is in the lowest term kasi 1 na lang ang kanilang GCF. So, therefore, the final answer is 2 and 2 over 15. Okay, let us have now another example. 1 and 7/8 times 1 and 2/5. So, let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign, and a multiplication sign, and a fraction sign. We are going to change now 1 and 2/5 to an improper fraction. So, let us have multiply 5 times 1 equals 5, then add the numerator 2. It gives now the sum of 7. Then copy 5 as denominator here. Then after that, bago tayo mag-multiply, tingnan muna kung meron bang pwede natin i-cancel sa cross cancellation o sa vertical cancellation. This time, ang mayroong GCF dito ay si 15 at saka si 5. Ano kaya ang GCF ng 15 at saka 5? Di ba po? 5. So, we are going to use now 5 to divide 15 and 5. Unahin natin si 15. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Then, 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Now, pwede na tayo mag-multiply, di ba po? And then after that, lagyan natin ng equal sign, then a fraction sign. Then, multiply 3 times 7. And it gives the product of 21. Then, multiply also 8 times 1. And it gives the product of 8. Now, look at now 21 over 8. It is an improper fraction. Therefore, we need to simplify. So, let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. So, ang gagamitin ko ulit dito ay ang shortcut method to simplify 21 over 8. So, copy lang natin yung 8 dito. Then, ask, ilang 8 ang meron sa 21? Di ba po, 2. So, pagkatapos niyan, we are going to multiply now 8 times 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. Ilan ang kulang ng 16 na magiging 21? Di ba po, 5. So, ilalagay natin yung 5 as numerator. 21 over 8 is simplified to 2 and 5 over 8. Ang tanong, is 5/8 in the lowest term? Yes, it is. Kasi, ang kanila na lang GCF ay 1. They have no common factor except 1. Therefore, 2 and 5/8 is the final answer. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, if we are going to multiply mixed number by another mixed number, we are going to change first mixed number into an improper fraction. Pagkatapos natin na may change sa improper fraction, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. But, before we multiply, titingnan muna natin kung meron bang mga numbers na pwede nating i-reduce muna o paliitin natin. O titingnan natin kung meron silang GCF. Okay? So, kung meron silang GCF, so, gagawin muna bago tayo mag-multiply. Then, pagkatapos mo na i-multiply, tingnan ka agad yung sagot. If the answer is in the simplest of form. Yun lang naman. So, para po masubukan kung may natutunan, multiply the following. Number 1, 1 and 1/2 times 2 and 1/4. Number 2, 1 and 3/4 times 1 and 4/5. Number 3, 2 and 1/7 times 1 and 3/6. Alright, so tatatlo lang yan. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 2 minutes to answer. Then, after that, we are going to check your answers. So, you can start now. Alright, time is up. Let us check your answers. Number 1, 3 and 3/8. Number 2, 3 and 3/20. Number 3, 1 and 5/7. So, who got 3/3? Congratulations! Di ba po napakadali lang? So, kung hindi mo masyado nasundan, pwede mo naman balikan tong video ito until such time na matututunan mo po. So, before I end this video, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat po na nag-subscribe, at sa mga di pa po nag-subscribe, please click the subscribe and bell button para po ma-notify tayo kapag mayroong mga bagong upload na videos. Again, maraming salamat po.